Hello, I am Dennis Dent, founder and president of Airfasco Industries, located in Canton, Ohio since 1979. We are a quality manufacturer of aircraft fasteners. Welcome to Airfasco.
Airfasco is an internationally recognized manufacturer of quality aircraft fasteners. Every fastener is manufactured to industry standard specifications, and quality is key at every step of the process. A few of our product choices include the AN, MS, NAS bolts, along with pins and screws. There are two different forming processes utilized in the making of these fasteners: cold forming and hot forming. To begin the cold forming process, steel taken from a 4,000-pound coil is drawn into the exact size needed for forming. From here, part formers measure the raw material, then cut the blank to the correct length. The actual cold forming process begins in the first die forging a bell shape. The second die forges the bell shape into a button shape, as well as stamping the Airfasco logo on the head. The head is then trimmed into a hexagonal shape and sent off to the thread rolling process. The cold forming process results in improved fatigue resistance. Where most people think that the threads on bolts are cut into the piece by a machine, these are actually rolled into the bolts. This makes a stronger bolt. The nearly completed fasteners are then loaded into automatic thread rolling machines, and threads are rolled at the rate of 200 pieces per minute. Hot forming is another process used for manufacturing bolts, ideal for short production runs, quick turnaround delivery, and prototypes. This process begins with cutting 12-foot bars into the required forging blank. The blank is then heated and shaped. Airfasco is a full-service manufacturer offering the additional services in-house. Services include heat treating, plating, centerless grinding operations, and CNC operations. Quality products and personal services are recognized by aircraft manufacturers worldwide. We invite you to experience the Airfasco difference today.